The Writing Center provides free academic communication support for students, faculty, staff, and alumni. In this tutorial, we will show you how to register and book an online appointment with a writing tutor. From the Writing Center homepage, click Book a Tutorial with WConline. This will take you to the SMU Writing Center online booking platform, WConline, at smu.mywconline.com. If it's your first time here, click Register for an account. Fill in as many fields as you can and click Complete Registration. Once you submit your registration form, you will be brought back to the WConline homepage. Log in using your email and the password you just created. Navigate between schedules using the drop-down menu at the top of the screen. For general writing assistance on assignments, select the schedule by month or term. You may also book an appointment with Lauren McKenzie, English Language Support Specialist, in the Writing and Language Support schedule. Appointment slots are organized by date, with available tutors visible in the left-hand column. Appointments are 50 minutes in length, starting on the hour. Available appointment slots are shown in white, with unavailable slots in dark blue. An appointment slot that has been booked by another student will appear in light blue. An appointment you have booked will appear in yellow. You are able to book appointments up to 2 weeks in advance. Students are limited to 2 appointments per week, and back-to-back appointments are not permitted. To book an appointment, click an available white appointment slot. In the appointment booking pop-up, you can select the type of service you wish to book. There are currently 2 forms of virtual tutoring being offered by the Writing Center. These are online tutoring and e-tutoring. Online tutoring creates a synchronous, online consultation room for you to meet with your tutor and discuss your writing assignment. E-tutoring is an asynchronous service in which you can upload your work as well as the assignment guidelines provided by your course instructor. We prefer your work to be uploaded in Word format, .doc or .docx. With e-tutoring, a tutor will read through your work and provide comments and feedback to you by the end of your appointment slot. You will receive an email notification with comments and feedback attached when your tutor is finished. Select your preferred appointment type and fill in the remainder of the booking pop-up. In the What do you want to work on during your visit field, let us know any specific issues you wish to address, such as creating an outline, structure and flow of paper, transitions between paragraphs, or grammar and sentence structure. If you are booking an asynchronous e-tutoring appointment, you must upload at least 1 file while booking your appointment. You can also return to your appointment slot and upload at a later date. Be sure that all the files needed are uploaded at least 10 minutes before your appointment start time. Click Create Appointment. You can upload or change uploaded files at any time by selecting your booked appointment slot and clicking Edit Appointment. To join your scheduled synchronous online consultation, return to the schedule at the start of your appointment time and click on your booked appointment. Select Start or Join Online Consultation. You will be brought to a browser window in the online consultation where you can use your mic and camera, once you allow the site to access these devices, to speak with your tutor. You can also use the chat tool on the right-hand side and paste your work into the whiteboard. You can also change your display name and color by clicking on the Participants button. Any work that is done in these online consultation rooms is saved. You can return to this room the same way you joined for as long as the schedule is available. If you book an appointment and can no longer attend, click on your booked appointment slot and select Cancel Appointment. Appointments must be canceled at least 24 hours before your appointment time. If you are more than 15 minutes late for an online tutoring appointment, or your work has not been uploaded for an e-tutoring appointment, you will be considered a no-show and a $10 fee will be charged to your student account. You will be blocked from using the Writing Center tutorial services until this fee is paid. Please do not hesitate to contact us at writing@smu.ca with any questions. We look forward to seeing you soon.